Mason Pot fam, we're chilling. We're leaning back in the Mason Pot kitchen today, shooting some cool content, but I want to shoot this one out real quick because it occurred to me, it's in the manual, but I haven't really talked about it that much. There's 3 different ways you can infuse with the Mason Pot kit. And the first one we talk about the most because we find it the easiest and just, the easiest basically, because it's just one unit. You use the oven, you decarb in the oven, you infuse in the oven. Next though, the runner-up to that is we have a Crock-Pot. So you just do like a double broiler. Just fill the Crock-Pot up, put your Mason Pot jars in there. You can put as many as fit in there, and then you're good to go. You can also do the stovetop. You can turn your stovetop to like low, medium, low, and then you can just put the jar in there. Same thing essentially as a Crock-Pot, but you just have to control it a little more. That being said, Crock-Pots, you can go to work, make your meal in there and be done. Oven, you can do the same thing. When you're using a stovetop, typically you got to keep a little more of an eye on it, especially if it's gas, but that is also something that works in its benefit, right? Because you could really dial it up fast. You could really raise that temp fast. You could drop it fast. You could do something pretty similar in the oven, but when it comes to the Crock-Pot, that's more of a slow game. So just wanted to shoot that out as I'm doing some more of these infusion videos for you guys. So I was like, sun hit my eyes and there's a car driving by. It looked really cool. I've always loved muscle cars. And somehow I just catch them out of the corner by eye. I've never had one. And I don't even have a car right now because I sold it, put it all in the Mason Pot. Here I go ranting as I'm known to do, guys. Thank you for kicking it with the fam, and let me know if you want to see more content on one of those methods in particular. But regardless, we'll be having some more come, but I'm just curious what you like.